Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to withdraw from Shareasale to a Payoneer account. So guys, watch till the end as I show you a step-by-step guide, and I made this table over here so we can dive in deeper. So first, just simply go to Payoneer.com and log in into your account. And from there guys, on the left side of the screen, the main menu, just simply select bank accounts. And from there, just simply choose the bank accounts for withdrawal and just simply select the type of bank account to add. Click on the add bank account and just simply provide the necessary information to add your bank details and just simply follow the on-screen instructions as well to completely do this. And after that, just simply withdraw the money by just simply choosing the currency to withdraw. And after that, guys, just simply go to the withdraw and transfer on the main menu of the Pioneer on the left side and just simply select a bank. And once you have select your added bank account, just simply select the currency that you want to withdraw with and just simply select the bank account to use. And after that, just simply choose the currency to withdraw and just simply select the bank account that you just added earlier and just simply provide the amount as well. And from there, make sure to have the right information and just simply review the details before you submit the withdrawal. And guys, remember that the funds usually arrive in the bank account within 2 business days. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.